Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Hyundai Elantra AC. First, check if your AC compressor clutch is engaging when you turn on the air conditioning. Next, inspect your cabin air filter. A clogged filter can severely restrict airflow. Finally, ensure your refrigerant levels are adequate, as low refrigerant is a very common cause of poor cooling. These initial checks can often pinpoint simple problems. Many AC problems stem from low refrigerant, which requires a proper recharge to restore cooling. If your AC compressor isn't engaging, it might be faulty and need replacement, a significant repair. Also, don't overlook electrical issues like a blown fuse or a bad relay, which can completely disable your air conditioning system. Always check these common culprits first. For deeper diagnostics, use a manifold gauge set to accurately measure your AC system's high and low side pressures. This helps identify overcharging or undercharging. To find leaks, introduce UV dye into the system and use a black light to spot any escaping refrigerant. Also, test your AC relay and relevant fuses with a multimeter to ensure proper electrical flow. While many issues are DIY-friendly, complex repairs, especially those involving refrigerant recovery and recharging, are best left to certified technicians. They possess specialized equipment and knowledge for safe and effective service. Regular maintenance, such as annual inspections, can prevent major problems and ensure your Hyundai Elantra's AC system provides cool air reliably for many years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.